So hi guys, let me walk you through how to design a business marketing flyer using PixelLab. So let's go to the size, and then for the size I will change the width to be 906, and then the height I will leave it like that. That's 1280. Here is the interface actually. So what I will do first is I will change the color of the background. I will change it to this color. You can actually check the color code here. You can actually see the color code here. You can input it if you want. So the next thing that I will do is I will just draw a shape like this, and then I will fix it around this axis. Yeah, something like this. And on this color I will make it radial. Radius, I will increase it like this. And then I will go to my color here. I will pick this color to be my color. So here we go. I fix this. So I will draw another shape here. In this shape I will just drag it toward this axis. So for this shape, let me just fix it around this. I'll draw it down here to this, and then on this I will change it to this color. Some people say color, I say color. Okay, so I will increase the radius to be at 5 or 6. Then I will just do a simple thing here by clicking on this perspective. I will just drag it alongside small here, drag it alongside small here, just small, let it not be beyond what I rank. Alright, I will enable it and then click on OK to OK it. So here is the shape that we just created. You can actually see how it looks like. Yeah, so let me just centralize it to the center. Although I want to create a kind of hierarchy, I will just drop it here like this. Let's say like this is okay. So I will go to my gallery and then import some of the icons that I already use. Let me see where is this. So I will be using this as a logo, and then for the logo I will just decrease the size. Let me use this as a logo. I'll decrease the size. I'll fix it to here, and then for the color of the logo I will change it to, which color should I put? I'm thinking about a color that okay, let's say I pick this gradient color. You can actually see the color code here. Here's the color code here. You can see it for this side, and then for the next side, which is this, you can see the color code here. So I'll just okay it like this, and then yeah, here we go. So I will put the writings, which is 10 days. Let's say 10 days. Let me make them uppercase letters. So I actually need, okay, let me go to my color here. I will change the color to this, and then I will go to fonts. I will change your font to something like let's say Bibas regular. Yeah, Bibas is actually a long font, so I will choose Bibas as my font here. So I will just fix it around this axis. It's just a kind of 10 days body. So let me go with this Betty, and December sales. Let me write December first. Make them uppercase letters, and then I'll fix it around this axis. Let me see, for the color I'll use the color that I normally used, that I started using. Sorry, not normally. I mean, say normally before someone. Right? So let me think. Let me see. So for this font, let me see whether Montserrat will do. Let me see bold. Let me try Montserrat. Montserrat look good, but I don't think I'll go use them. Montserrat. Okay, let me use semi-bold. Yeah, semi-bold good. Let me use semi-bold actually. Let me use semi-bold. Yeah. Alright, here we go. Let me just kind of add this here. And then for this, I will go and write cells. Then for this cells, it's supposed to be around this axis. And then for the color of the cells, it's supposed to be gradient. the one that we actually used initially. So I will go to font and then I will choose orthography. I will increase the size, fix it around here. Yep. Yeah. So I'll just fix it around here. It's just a simple flyer, so I don't want it to be complicated. So I will go to font again and I write the name of the brand, which is Betsy Swears. Betsy Store, sorry. I will put the brand name here. Let me change the color to be this, and then for the font, let me use Montserrat. And then I will reduce the size to a kind of suitable size. Yeah. So for line spacing, I'll just decrease the line spacing, as you can see. So I will just align this. Should I leave it like this? Yeah. So let's go with this. Let's go with this. Let's see how it works. So I'll create a shape here, and then for this shape I will just fix it toward here. Yeah, so I'll reduce. Okay, I'll increase the radius. Let me leave it at this, and then I will go to gradient. I need it to be this. Okay, let me see. Okay, this is perfect. This is the gradient color that we used initially. So we are moving further. I will go to my gallery and then import a woman picture. Let's see this LED picture. I'll fix it here, just as you can see. I'll just fix it here. Yeah, hope it looks like. Yeah, let me just fix it around. Yeah. So that's it for this. So the next thing that I will do is I will go to my gallery and then import some. So I will import this, and then I will just kind of cut it. I will increase the size like this, and then let me centralize it. So I will move it to the back. Moving it to the back, I will actually decrease the opacity like this, just to create an effect. But if I like, I can actually, okay, let me see if I erase the color. Yeah, erasing the color is just kind of something. Okay, let's see. Let me erase the color and then change it to this. So let me decrease the opacity to be darker. Yeah, this goes nice. So the next thing that I will do is I'll copy this and then decrease the size. I want it to be around this axis. Let me just delete it and then draw another one. So for this, I'll just decrease the size again. Okay. So for this, I'll change it to this color, and then I will increase the radius a little bit. Yeah. So so I'll do one thing. Let me just do something. I will move everything to the left because it's just looking like we have space. A little of space at the right. Okay, here we go. For this girl, let me just kind of move her around this axis. So now here we go with this. Now the next thing that I will do is I'll go to text, just paste the text. I have already copied them, so it's just for me to paste. So for the text, I will make them to be black color, and then for the fonts, I will change it to Montserrat. No, normal Montserrat, not bold Montserrat. Yeah, medium. Let me use medium. This looks nice. So I'll just fix it like this. Yep. So the next thing that I will do is I will go to my gallery and then import something. So I have import this. So let me just decrease the size, yeah, to a suitable size, and then I will just align it here. I'll copy it again. Yeah, I'll fix it like this, and I'll copy it again. Just move it like this. Yep, I'll copy this one again. So that's it for this. So I will do something like this, shift it a little bit, yeah. So I will copy the 4 of them and then match the 4, sorry. I will tick all of them and then match them. So after matching them, I will just copy them again. Sorry, copying them like this, move them. Just align them like this, and you are good to go with this. So you actually see how it works. So the next thing is for me to fix something like this. I'll just copy this and then I'll write massive discounts on. I'll make them uppercase letters, fix it around this axis and then turn it to black. Let me turn it to white, sorry. And I'll just reduce the size. So let me just increase the size. So let me make it bold and see how it works. Yeah, this works fine. So the next thing that I will do, I will just create a kind of effect like this. Let me go bring something from my gallery. So let me go to my gallery. So here is it. I'll just kind of move it like this, and then I need it to appear less here around this axis. So let me just kind of change the color to this like this. I need this to be around here. Yeah, so I'll copy it, fix it here, just creating the kind of fascia. You can actually use another method to cover up the edges of this woman by clicking on, let's see, I didn't use this method. I can actually click on, sorry, where's the other one? Yeah, let's see, I didn't use the other method. I can actually go to my eraser and then increase this blurry. Then you can actually blur it like this. Yeah. You can actually blur it like this. Yep, just blur the edges to move sharper. So that is it actually. So now I'm creating something that looks like what I'm doing like this. So it's just a kind of simple thing. It's just for me to draw a kind of shape here, make a kind of shape here, and just fix it around this axis. I'll copy it, fix it here, copy it again, and then fix it around this axis. So I will do same, copy this one, put it around this axis, and then if I like, I can copy this one and then fix it here. Yeah, that's it actually. So I can go to my texture and then texture them with any of the icon that I see. Let's see, I'm using this spark. I just click on this 1-to-1 ratio. Yep, good. I'll increase the stroke. Let me use 3 as a stroke or 4. It's fine. So I can go to texture again and then texture the next one. Yep. Yeah, as usual, click on this one to run and then click on done. You'll see it's showing up. So this is 3, 4 stroke. So I'll do same for all. So that's it for this. I will just go to my, let me copy this and then write the date of the discount. This is which is 25th, remember, to 15th December, yeah, 2025. Yeah, so I will just carry this one, fix it around here, and then increase the size. Hey, size is a bit too big now. Reduce the size to a affordable one. Yeah, so what remains now is for me to create a kind of effect. So for this effect is just something that is that we are used to it. Let me see where should I get this effect. Yeah, so this one is just a kind of simple effect that we are going to use to create something. Yep, for the first one, let me use this one as let me rotate it like this. So let me see how it goes. Increase the opacity like this, and then copy it again. And then fix it around this axis. So let me see if I change the color to this. I'll just turn it to the back of everything. Yeah, this is showing to the back. So it's just a kind of simple flyer actually. So let me just decrease the opacity of the background. I don't want it to show that much. So the next thing is just to fix your WhatsApp, and then you are good to go. That is it. So you can actually go and fix your WhatsApp, everything to be intact. So let me just quickly do that because the video is actually long. So let me just fix that. I know you can't. So that is it actually. Let me fix that. So here we are to the end of the video. Please, if you find this to be useful, please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel in order to get more videos on how to design using your smartphone. Thank you very much. Do have a nice day. Like and share. Peace.